Step into your modernly appointed suite with choices of 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms, styled with Mediterranean furnishings. A fully equipped kitchen, whirlpool tub, washer and dryer, and spacious living areas provide comfort and convenience. Star Island features 2 outdoor swimming pools, jacuzzi, poolside bar, and a gift shop with everything from snacks to souvenirs. Brush up on your golf game at the putting green and driving range. Stay in shape at our fitness center featuring cardio, circuit training, and free weights. Or pamper yourself at our full-service celebrity day spa. Star Island Tennis College provides specialized lessons for all ages. Jet skis, paddle boats, and fishing are available at the nearby marina. Star Island Resort offers a daily activities program for families and guests of all ages. Enjoy familiar American dishes on resort at TGI Fridays. For international flavors, Star Island Resort is within a mile of many fine restaurants. A getaway close to the highlights of Orlando, full of endless activities and a relaxed atmosphere, is what makes Star Island Resort in Kissimmee, Florida, the perfect vacation destination.